Okay, let's try.
Many people ask me,
Namaste.
why did you choose to trip to India?
Thank you.
Why India?
Wow. Thank you.
And then I want to say it's because of the food and people.
What is name?
Nice food, nice people.
Come here. Hello.
Also, they love Korean. If they like me, I like them too. Why not? Okay, let's start. Check it out.
Where are you from?
Mahabaleshwar.
Here is
Mahabaleshwar.
Mahabaleshwar. Bye. Hello, I'm in Maharashtra. I will explore here, so that's why I came here. Maharashtra. I think Maharashtra is right. Here is Maharashtra? Yes. Yeah, here is Maharashtra. Oh my god, here is really cool now. Even it's sunny, but it's cool. Nice weather, best weather. Also, not really noisy. So I love it. Oh, hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What is
Where
that?
you have come from?
I'm from South Korea.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying over here?
Oh.
Okay, okay.
Oh, do you like South Korea?
Yeah. We have not gone over there.
Oh?
We have not gone over there.
No Korea. What is that? Oh, Xi Jinping.
If you call us over there, we'll come over there.
Oh, okay. Namaste.
Okay, namaste.
Namaste.
Hey, namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
What I really enjoy here these days is shaking my head from side to side like Indian.
I think here is like strawberry spot. Many people. Oh,
YouTuber,
oh.
the channel name.
Kelly Korea. Text me. Hi. Here. Thank you. High five. Of course. I will upload this one, okay? Thank you. Bye bye. What's your name? Afa. Bye. Afa. I think here is like strawberry spot. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Here is strawberry spot.
Strawberries from
Oh. Why strawberry is so many?
Because here,
Oh.
because here there is many farms. Strawberry.
Oh, really? Here have many street farm, so that's why. Right. Wow. Thank you. Namaste.
North Korea.
Oh, I'm South Korea.
South.
Oh.
KEL.
K-E-L-Y. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you. Bye-bye. Wow, here have so many food and restaurants. Wow, I want to try something in here. Hello. What are you doing? Water.
dust.
Ah, just. Okay, thank you. Namaste. Here have a like shoes. Hello. Wow, so nice. Here is nice. Nice view. K-E-L-Y.
You want taxi for sightseeing? Mahabaleshwar Beach.
Oh no, it's okay. It's okay, bro. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do I look like Korea?
No, it is Chinese.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Local.
Local here.
Yeah,
I love Malaysia.
Mahabaleshwar.
Mahabaleshwar. Yeah. What is famous food in here? Famous food. Oh. Can you recommend?
Strawberry pakoda. Strawberry pakoda.
Oh.
Corn cheese.
Corn cheese pakoda.
Where is it?
Kashewadi.
Here.
Bagicha.
Kashewadi corner.
Okay. Bachi corner.
Bagicha.
Bagicha corner.
Bagicha
Corner.
corner. Okay. Okay, I will try. Thank you. Thank you, friend. Bahacha corner? What is Bahacha corner? I don't know. Hello, what is Bahacha corner? Where is it? I want to try. It's good?
Yes, very good.
Oh really? Now I will try.
Channel name?
Kelly Korea.
Kelly Korea.
Oh, Kelly Korea. Where is it?
Bagicha corner?
Oh,
We will leave it there, okay?
here?
No, no, very fun.
Not street food.
Yes.
Okay, I wanna get street food. What's your name?
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan. Hi, Ayan. You're local?
Yes.
Wow, local. You live really good place because here is really cool. Oh my god. What is that? Ice cola. Later, okay? Where are you going now? Ah. What is this?
This is missile pav.
Let me see. Ah, like meal.
Yes.
Ah, your meal. How old are you?
15.
15?
Yes.
Too young. Guess my age.
23.
23. Do I look so old? I'm 21. I'm 21. Where is it? Here. Here. Here? So good? Oh,
Here you can get street food.
really?
Frankie you can get here.
Okay.
Grill sandwich, pizza.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello. Nice to meet you. What is famous in here?
This one,
What?
strawberry topping.
Oh. How about food?
And Makai patties.
Corn patties.
Makai cheese, Makai Frankie, and pizza and grilled sandwich.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Can I get this one?
Vegetable, capsicum, tomato.
Oh.
Capsicum, tomato and cheese आएगा.
Oh. Good. Okay. Go. Oh, one. How much?
170.
170 rupees. Okay.
Veg cheese flanky is popular street food in India. So that's why I wanna try it. Those ingredients were really fresh and healthy. His smile is warm as well.
Wow. What is that? Masala.
Anyway, what is masala? Okay, let's search in Google. Masala is the Hindi word for spicy. In India, there are so many types of the masala powder and sauce. What is this sauce?
Wow. So nice.
Also, they put vegetable filling and sauce. Wow, cheese. I love cheese.
This one is famous in India.
Yeah.
What is name?
My name is Mustafa.
Oh, this name. This food name.
Cheese Frankie.
Cheese panky.
Yeah.
This one is
Red
famous.
cheese Frankie.
Wow.
I think India seems to have a lot of delicious veg food. Cooking sound is amazing.
Oh. Wow. What is this? Chutney.
What is chutney? Also, I asked Google about the chutney. The meaning of the chutney is thick sauce of India.
What is this sauce? Sauce? Spicy? No.
Okay, let's try cheese blankie for the first time. As soon as you take a bite, the sauce sprays out of your mouth.
Wow! Yummy! I really like it! Wow! There are inside so many vegetables. And then this one is really not spicy at all. Wow! I love it! really 좋다! Thank you. Bye bye. Hey.
Hello, namaste. Namaste, namaste. Hello, namaste, namaste.
How are you? From where you?
Yeah, I'm from South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Which part of Korea?
Oh, South Korea.
No, but in South Korea.
Yeah.
Seoul, where it is?
Yeah.
Seoul?
Huh?
Seoul?
South Korea.
No. South Korea is country name, right?
Yeah.
In which city?
Seoul, Seoul.
Seoul. Okay,
Thank you.
okay,
Bye bye.
bye.
What is this? What is this?
Potato vada.
This good? Potato vada. Is it
Potato vada.
famous food?
Yeah.
Can I try one? How much one piece?
1 piece 10 rupees.
Okay, can I try one piece? Hello, hello. Thank you.
Welcome.
Here. Wow. This one is spicy?
Spicy.
Not spicy.
3 बोला दे दो तुम बोलेगा तो रहने देने
Okay, let's try.
3 बोला 3 पार्सल है
Yummy.
पार्सल थैंक यू कर दी मत डालो
Okay. Acha, I love it. Thank you.
1 मिनट
I love it this one.
1 second 1 second
Okay.
Ana boys Mia Mia
Good. What is this? Can you explain? What is this?
Ana Arabic kalam
This one is famous food in here. Yes. Do you like it also? Yes. This is like potato inside, right?
Potato vada.
Oh, inside here a potato and this one is sauce. I love it. This is very so soft. Wow.
मस्त रहती है
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
welcome.